isn't my first rodeo, so why do I have to explain?
So at the Perth Royal Show, seeing some pigs, some dogs, some other animals, some monster trucks later and fireworks, and I just bought a pig's knuckle. I want to be so ill. We're on a boat about to go to Rottnest Island and see some quokkas.
Some people are sent to try us, to stress and wind you up. Not me, I'm trained to try a new bespoke approach.
Pie time.
Gone for bacon, steak and cheese from the bakery on Rottnest Island. Massive chunks of steak. It's probably that's probably the biggest pieces of steak I've seen in a pie. It's a bit of a doughy crust, but my first Aussie pie, not bad.
Pie time.
I'm a wreck, I'm a mess, idiot at best. Some of my parts have torn me apart. I know you and me are too. People never quite the same. I'm a wreck, I'm a mess. Some of my parts have torn me apart. I know you and me are too. People never quite the same.
So we're just leaving Rottnest Island and it's quite rough. Yeah. That's quite a big one. Yeah. So a bit of an update. I've been ill for the past 5 days. I'd rather that now than when we're in the desert, but it meant I was pretty much stuck in the house the entire time. But now I'm outside, nice and warm, and I'm going to go to the bike shop and get myself some new tyres.
Genuinely thought I'd be more ready, and I'm quite nervous, but let's do this. So we just spent our first night camping. We got here after dark, so we set up in the dark and had some tea. It was about 8 o'clock and we went to sleep pretty much straight away. There's quite a lot of traffic, so it wasn't the best night, but it's about 20 past 6 now, so we've been up for a little while, and I think we're just going to pack up the tent and cycle for a bit, find some place to have breakfast, something where we can sit down, but pretty tired.
We've been down this road before. Every exit is a door, locked from the inside, and I'm dying to find